How to settle a rejected return in H&R Block. Let's get started. To settle a rejected tax return in H&R Block, start by logging into your account or desktop software to identify the reason for rejection. H&R Block will provide a rejection notice with a code or message explaining the issue, such as mismatched personal information, errors in income forms, incorrect social security number, or problems with dependent claims. Carefully review the rejection details to understand what needs to be corrected. Next, navigate to the affected section of your tax return, such as your personal information, dependents, or income forms, and make the necessary corrections. Double check that names, birth dates, and social security numbers match official records, and ensure all income forms like W 2 and 1099s are entered accurately. If the issue relates to dependents, verify that no one else is claiming the same dependent and that your dependent meets the IRS requirements. After making corrections, review your entire return for accuracy and use H&R Block's error check tool to scan any additional mistakes. Once you are confident the issue is resolved, resubmit your return electronically through H&R Block. If the problem cannot be resolved for e-filing, such as persistent mismatched information, you can print a return and file it by mail. After resubmitting, monitor your return status through H&R Block's training feature or the IRS Where's My Refund. To avoid future rejections, always double check your information before filing. Ensure all the tax forms match exactly. Validate dependent eligibility and consider using H&R Block's live chat or professional assistance for additional support. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue and successfully file your return. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.